Welcome to the Megaladata channel. My name is Alex. Data quality is one of the biggest challenges in modern analytics. According to some estimates, analysts spend up to 60% of their time checking and correcting data errors. Ignoring this task leads to mistakes, delays, and ultimately financial losses. In small data sets, for example, 5 columns and 200 rows, gaps, anomalies, and outliers can be visually detected. However, when working with large amounts of data, dozens of columns and thousands of rows, visual inspection becomes impossible, or at the very least, ineffective. The Megaladata Data Quality Visualizer enables a comprehensive assessment for each field. It calculates sample characteristics to identify indicators of data problems. The parameters the visualizer works with include gaps and spaces, outliers and extreme values, monotonicity, and others. Important, the visualizer does not determine what constitutes an error. This decision rests with the analyst. Instead, it highlights problems that most often signal errors in the data. Let's launch Megaladata and open the sales file, which contains information about beverage sales. The table includes the date, product ID, description, number of items, and other parameters. We will now assess if this data is suitable for further work. Open the Visualizers window. Select Data Quality Visualizer and click Enter. Click Calculate Statistics to begin the calculation. The Summary tab will open, displaying a brief description of the dataset on the right. This includes the counts of columns and rows, the percentage of filled fields and the EPV index, the ratio of the number of records to the number of columns. Despite the problems found, all fields in the dataset are recognized as suitable for further work. Let's examine the detected problems. Green check marks indicate fields where no problems were found, such as pay date and classification. In other fields, the visualizer has detected various issues, including outliers, extreme values, empty rows, trailing spaces, and zeros. The visualizer allows for a quick assessment of the entire dataset's quality, helping you understand the scope of the work ahead. Later, you can utilize Megaladata components to create data cleaning and pre-processing workflows, effectively tackling the detected problems. Now let's take a closer look at the issues in the current dataset. We observe spaces in the description field. Let's determine how to address this. Click the Discrete button on the toolbar, which provides an overview of data quality for discrete fields. The table columns also display histograms, the percentage of outliers, and empty values, value ranges, the mode for each column, and more. Let's investigate the trailing spaces. Click the Detailing button and select the desired field, Trailing Spaces. We see that the values for darkroom are highlighted. Further inspection reveals that in this dataset, all instances of darkroom have a trailing space. If we process this dataset separately, the space will not affect anything. However, if we combine this data with other sets where darkroom is written without space, grouping errors will occur, splitting darkroom into two distinct groups. This could lead to problems for reporting or further analytical processing, potentially causing information loss or distortion. Now that we have identified the error, we can use the calculator node with its trim function to fix it, which will take only a couple of minutes. We can now continue exploring data quality. The visualizer indicates empty values in the description column. Let's examine this more closely. We can see that for some items, the description is not specified, appearing as a blank space. This is a more serious problem, indicating that data was lost at some stage during file preparation. The analyst would need to locate where the data was lost and restore it. Let's turn our attention to the values field. The visualizer provides a diagram illustrating the variety of values across rows. The colors indicate various value types. Unique single values are green, unique non-single values are yellow, and duplicate values are red. Now let's open the Continuous tab. Searching for extreme values and outliers among total sales amounts can lead to incorrect conclusions, as the volumes and prices of goods vary greatly. Wholesale trade drastically alters total sales volume, and expensive single purchases create extremes. Therefore, we will not address outliers at this time. We observe zeros in the price field. Let's open the detailing. Zeros sometimes occur due to purchase returns. However, here we can see the same value for a group of products which appears to be a mistake. The overview table for the continuous fields also analyzes the dataset for infinities. These can occur when importing data from databases and can significantly skew calculation results. Here we can also evaluate the distribution of values in the sample. The visualizer builds histograms and box plots. The histogram button brings up a pane with a histogram for the selected field. Based on this visualization, you can evaluate the distribution and detect errors. The absolute or relative values switch changes the display mode of quantitative values from absolute values to percentages. The export button allows you to export a report file. Only the current table, summary, discrete or continuous is exported. If you have found multiple errors, you can quickly export a table that provides a comprehensive assessment of the dataset. The Data Quality Visualizer allows you to quickly assess a sample's suitability for analysis, automatically perform standard data quality checks, locate problems. It is important to remember that the analyst determines whether a particular feature constitutes an error. This visualizer, like others, does not allow you to change the data, but will help you quickly evaluate it. It is a highly recommended tool for exploratory analysis. Megaladata includes components that enable you to quickly resolve identified problems, such as replace, imputation, and eliminate outliers. Subscribe to Megaladata's YouTube channel or visit our blog. We have many more useful materials for those interested in data analysis. Thank you for your attention.